Aloha! Welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Alyssa Moreau, and today I'll be making Lemony Asparagus Bisque. In a small pan, sauté the asparagus tips in a teaspoon of olive oil until crisp tender. Remove the asparagus from the pot and set aside. Heat 2 tablespoons oil in a medium pot over medium heat. Add the onion and cook until soft and translucent. Add the garlic, thyme, chopped asparagus, beans, stock, and water. Bring to a boil, then reduce to a simmer and cover. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Turn off the heat. Stir in the lemon juice, zest, and salt and pepper to taste. Using a blender, puree the soup in 2 batches. Serve hot or cold, garnished with asparagus tips, parsley, lemon zest, and a drizzle of olive oil. For this recipe and more, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.